Class 3 Computer. Class 3 Computer. Today we are going to start learning logo. Today we are going to start learning logo. This chapter is very new to you all. You have not ever done logo. So today is the very first class of your logo. So please pay attention and learn about logo, as this is really a very interesting chapter, and I think so you will love it by learning this new thing. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the programming language. In this chapter we are going to learn about programming language, that what is a programming language, who has designed and developed logo, features of logo, full form of logo, and many more things. That is the current version. The parts of logo, window, the function and the logo turtle. Today we will learn only this. I hope you all are good in health. Stay safe and stay home. Let's get started with the following chapter, that is learning logo. So what is logo? Before going into the chapter, I should always explain you that what is the portion which we are going to learn. What is a logo? So logo is a simple perfect computer language. Logo is a simple perfect computer language. It is used for drawing shapes and calculating arithmetic operation. It is used for drawing shapes and calculating arithmetic operations. So logo is a simple perfect computer language. It is used for drawing shapes and calculating arithmetic operations. Turtle is the icon used as a pen in logo. So turtle is the icon which is used as the pen in logo. Now full form of logo is, you are going to see in the next slide. What is a full form of logo? Now see, this is the full form of logo. That is language of graphics oriented. Language of graphics oriented. So the full form is very important. You have to learn it by heart. That language of graphics oriented is the full form of logo. What is a programming language? What is a programming language? To work with a computer. To work with a computer, we use computer languages. We use computer languages called programming languages. To work with computers, to work with a computer, we use computer language. Why we use computer language? As computer is unable to understand human language. Whatever language we are speaking, computer is not able to understand. So for making computer to understand, we should always convert it into computer language. So that computer language is known as programming language. That computer language is known as the programming language. There are many programming language being used today. So there are many programming language which is being used in today's life. People who write programs are called programmers. The people who write the programs which are used for computer, they are known as programmers. So to work with a computer, we use computer languages called programming language. There are many programming language being used today. People who write programs are called programmers. Tech facts. Tech facts. Designed. Logo was designed and developed. Logo was designed and developed by Bob Rowe. By Bob Rowe. Fusing. Cynthia Solomon and Seymour Papert in the year 1967. So logo was designed and it was developed by Bob Rowe. Fusing Cynthia Solomon and Seymour Papert in the year 1967. Now about logo, we are going to learn about logo. Logo is not an acronym. Logo is not an acronym. So acronym means a short word, okay? A short word that is made from first letters of a group of words. This is the meaning of acronym. So logo is not an acronym. It is a dialect of Lisp programming language. It is a dialect of a Lisp programming language. Since this language supports graphics and logic. Since this language supports graphics and logic, it made a difference from earlier programming languages that supported only numbers. So the earlier programming languages only supported numbers, but logo is such a thing. It is a programming language, but it supports graphics and it supports logic also. So logo is not an acronym. It is a dialect of Lisp programming language. Since this language supports graphics and logic, it has made a difference from earlier programming languages that supported only numbers. It is one of the simplest computer language. The main aim is to teach children to program. The main aim of teaching logo is teaching the children to program, to learn about program. So it is one of the simplest computer languages. The main aim to teach logo is to teach about program. Now features of logo. So what are the features of logo? Logo helps to write instructions to draw graphical pictures, do calculations, type the text, draw graphical pictures, do calculations, type the text. So this is the features of logo. What are the things which you can do? You can draw a graphical picture, You can do the calculations and you can type a text on it. So these are the features of a logo. Now Tech Corner. What is Tech Corner? We are knowing something about thing which we don't know. Okay. So the current Microsoft Windows logo version is 6.5b. The current Microsoft Windows logo version is 6.5b. This yellow box is really very important. Many yellow boxes are there. I always teach you all the yellow boxes. So remember to learn it by heart. Never miss learning the Tech Corner or Tech Facts given in your book. It's really very important. So the current Microsoft Windows logo version is 6.5b. Now how to open logo program. Opening logo program. Opening logo program. Start. First we have to click the start button. After switching on the computer, you're going to click start button. After clicking the start button, there will be a dialog box appearing. Okay, there are many programs written in the dialog box. Just click all programs. Just click all programs. Then again a dialog box will appear after clicking the all program. That is Microsoft logo window. Microsoft logo window. So how to open? That is start all program Microsoft logo window, and your Microsoft logo window has been appeared. Now how does it look? We will see to it in the next slide. Parts of the logo window. Okay, so this is the logo window. You can see it is a double screen. So it is divided into two screens, but it is a one screen only. So the logo window comprises of the parts shown as below. As shown below. So the logo window comprises of the parts as shown below. So what are the parts in the logo? So number one, the very first one is the title bar. The very first one is the title bar. See, below the title bar you can see menu bar. So what is written in the title bar? The heading, that is MSW logo screen. Then minimize, maximize, and the cross button is given there. So that is the title bar. Next one is menu button. So with the help of the name menu, you can understand all the things which are provided there. That is file, bip tab, set, zoom, help. So this is the menu bar. Now the white screen which you can see, the full white screen, that is the graphic screen. That is the graphic screen. And now coming down, you can see again a horizontal white screen. That is the commander window. That is the commander window. And the last one is the input box. This is the input box. So these are the parts of window. Now see, there is given the functions of the following. So what is the function of a title bar, menu bar, graphic screen, commander window, and input box? So we are going to learn about it. So title bar displays the name of a file. It displays the name of a file. Title bar displays the name of a file. Menu bar displays various tabs and buttons. Display various tabs and buttons. Graphic screen displays the results of instruction. Displays the results of instructions. Commander window. Area to view the entered commands. Input box. Input box. Area to type the command. Area to type the command. So title bar displays the name of the file. Menu bar displays the various tabs and buttons. Graphic screens displays the results of instructions. Commander window, area to view the entered commands, and input box, area to type commands. These are the functions of the parts of window. Now comes the logo turtle. The logo turtle. The turtle is a small triangle. The turtle is a small triangle that follows logo command. So whatever logo command you are giving, that command is been followed by the turtle. So you can see the image. This is the turtle. It stays on the graphic screen only. It does not go to the commander window. It always stays in the graphic screen. It moves on its head and leaves a line behind. So it moves on its head. It moves in the front. It moves front with the help of the head, and it leaves behind the line. So it has two parts. It has two parts, that are the head and the tail. It has two parts, that is the head and the tail. It moves with CAR. It moves with CAR. The full form of CAR is C stands for command. C stands for command. A stands for argument, the number of steps to move. Argument, the number of steps to move. And end, return on pressing the enter key. And return on pressing the enter key. So this is the logo turtle. So you can see the image. The upper part is the head and the lower part is a tail. So this drawing is really very important. So you should practice this drawing with the labeling on it. Okay. So related to this portion which we have read today, we are going to do the following exercise, that is choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Logo dash. So what does logo do? Number 1, helps to draw graphical pictures. Number B, doesn't allow typing text or doesn't perform calculation. So logo helps to draw graphical pictures. Number 2, dash is used to display various tabs and buttons. Dash is used to display various tabs and buttons. That is menu bar, not graphic screen or input box. It will be the menu bar. Number 3, the turtle moves on its head. The turtle moves on its head, not screen or not tail. So this is the portion which we have done. Now the chart which we have learnt, that these 2 questions you are going to do it in your copy. That is, write the functions of the following. Write the functions of the following. That is title bar, menu bar, graphic screen, command window, and input box. So you are going to write the functions of the following. Then number 2 is draw and label. Draw the logo of turtle. Draw the logo of turtle and label its part. So this is very important portion, the logo part, turtle part. So draw and label the parts of turtle in it. So till there, whatever I have taught, please go through the chapter and practice it as much as you can. Till then, thank you.